most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Howdy, folks. I'm Bob Schupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
Brad,
Bob.
I just recently had on Dr. Robert Schleip on our podcast.
Schleip.
Yes.
Mhm.
And this is the guy that knows everything there is to know about fascia. So we're going to show fascia.
He wrote a book on it.
Yes, he did.
Or
He
a couple
wrote
of books.
several books.
Several
on it,
books.
yes.
So he's
And
an expert.
we're going to show you on screen the fascia of the back.
Okay.
So we just wanted to show you a diagram of the fascia in your back. This is somewhat of a good representation, but the white stuff represents the fascia. The fascia does go up into the muscles everywhere,
Right.
but it's thinner. But so again, as they already have a round circle around it, it actually has a lot of pain sensitive fibers. So if that fascia is bound down,
Mm-hmm.
because we mentioned it has two layers and it's not gliding on each other,
Sure.
it can cause you a lot of pain and be a result. I mean, as a result, that's where your pain is coming from, not the
Right.
muscle.
Right. And then you lose mobility and flexibility with that. So you get the
Right.
motion back, you break the fascia up, get things sliding, all over in the muscles that connect muscle to muscle, fascia to fascia, and life becomes much better.
Yeah, be happy. But we're talking about this tough fibrous material that encompasses muscles,
Right.
and
Right.
it actually provides also sensation.
Right.
So there's a lot of pain sensors in your back. So the fascia of your back is supposed to glide along. There's actually two layers,
Sure.
and often it gets bound down if you don't move enough or don't keep the back moving enough.
So instead of sliding across each other like I should,
It just
it sticks,
yeah.
and that can
Cause
irritate
pain.
pain receptors and those things.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're going to show you why you do want to foam roll your back, but you don't want to do it wrong.
Right.
Right.
Wrong. Right. Yeah. Well, let's show them, Bob.
All right. Well, so years ago, Brad and I felt like when you do your low back, if you do a foam roller on your low back like this, what's going to happen is you jam the facets together. And
So this is when you're lying on the floor
Right.
and you're rolling across the mid back. Then you get by your belt line. For me, it's uncomfortable.
right. So
It
we would
doesn't-
say just don't do this.
Mhm.
The mid back, okay,
Yep.
because the way the facets are structured.
Sure.
But
Mhm.
low back, no way. So I talked to him about it,
Yeah.
and he made this suggestion
Okay.
to do it against the wall.
All right.
So, Brad, do you want to show that?
Absolutely. Now?
Yeah.
Oh, now. So we're going to show them with this bumpy one that
Yeah,
vibrates.
it's pretty aggressive.
Yeah. You can use a regular
Right,
foam roller
to
if you'd
start.
like. Yep.
Yeah,
They make actually short ones too, which I have
probably
one at home.
recommended when you first start.
Yeah.
You want that's a little aggressive, less aggressive.
So you can, I'm not going to turn, this one actually vibrates to get in a little deeper. I'm just going to start with it off and, I can roll it here and I can go to one side depending on where those knots are or where your pain is and work it. And then I can tolerate this
Right.
on my lumbar spine where if I'm lying on the floor in supine or face up, this is not tolerable. It just feels like it hurts. It's not a good thing. It's not like it hurts so good. It's like it hurts bad. Should we try the,
Sure, try it on. Turn it on once,
Yeah.
Brad.
so again, you don't have to have one of these vibrating ones.
Did
If
you slide the button over?
Yep, I got it.
Oh.
It has a number of speeds. I'm going to turn that up actually as high as it goes. So can you hear that vibrate a little bit? There we go. And this actually feels pretty good, especially if I go to one side and, you can feel where it feels like in the
So
right
again,
spot.
if those two layers are stuck together,
Yep.
this is going to help that. You're also going to want to walk a lot. Movement is really good for it. Swinging your arms.
Yep.
How does fascia pain feel? First off, it's very
Hmm.
diffuse. Like when you have pain that's from fascia in your back, it's not pinpoint. It's not like, oh, that hurts right there. It's like spread out.
Sure. Oh, but you're going to keep talking about? I'm
No.
having fun.
So as an alternative,
Ooh.
if you don't want to buy a foam roller, you could take the tennis ball or you could take the softball, which would be more aggressive, and you could work on just one side. So don't put it in the middle. Just work on one side at a time.
Oh, you mean against the wall?
No, on the floor.
Oh, on the
Because
floor.
you can
Yeah.
tolerate this now.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get down. I'm going to actually put it on one side and I can roll along on that. Now, this is very aggressive because I'm on a soft surface.
Right. So if you're doing it on your bed, it's not
Right.
going to be very effective.
You want to be a little more aggressive, you could use a softball. Now, this would be enough even on this surface because
Yeah.
it's thick enough. So
And obviously pretty hard and aggressive.
you could sit on it for 30 seconds and then move,
Yep.
or you can move back and forth like Brad likes to do.
Isn't there some basketball player you mentioned that actually uses
Yeah,
a
there was
softball?
a NBA player that
Yeah.
actually used it. He's retired now.
Oh, he's retired.
but he went to his 40s. I mean, he played until his
Right,
40s.
right. So he's trying to keep his muscles soft
Right,
and
and he
supple.
used a softball all the
Right,
way,
right. There's a
throughout the
football player
body.
that uses that same concept.
Yep.
Mhm.
So again, the back fascia has a lot of pain receptors.
Sure.
So we want to, and the pain should feel, oh, that feels good. Like, oh, that hurts, but it feels good.
Hurts so good.
Yeah, hurts so
Yep,
good.
it hurts, and then particularly when you're done, it's like, oh, that loosened it up. That really feels good.
Right.
Then you know you're doing the right thing. 'Cause it's possible you don't have fascia pain, and it might be a disc or something like that, and maybe you do this and it hurts, and then it hurts
Right.
when you're done. And so again, if it
Now,
hurts when
fascia,
you're done,
if it's, again, it tends to be spread out,
mhm,
not always into the legs, like
sciatica,
would
yeah,
go.
right.
And it tends to hurt when you bend forward like this.
So you're stretching it,
Yeah.
irritating it because it's not sliding
So
like it
does
should.
a lot of things hurt
Yeah.
when you go that way.
Yeah.
So it also tends to be, I don't know what they mean when they say this, Brad, but it's supposed to be emotional type of pain. Like you, I know this is weird, but they'll say like it's a mean pain.
Yeah.
Like they often assign emotion to it. I
So
don't
when
know why.
you get that face like, "Ah, fuck,"
Yeah.
as opposed to,
What did
"Oh,
you
that
just
hurt."
say? I
Yeah.
hope you
No,
put
I
down.
didn't say it's a family show. I understand.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's a very quick video, but I wanted you to know that you could foam roll your back. Just do it the right way.
Right. Use the ball.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Oh,
Oh,
hold on,
so
hold on.
a
Wait
second.
one
We are
second.
doing a giveaway.
We have a giveaway that is worth holding on for. It is a bed mattress from Sleepovation, and this is one that we really enjoy. And
This will help your little back too,
Oh,
by
yeah.
all means.
Mhm.
So, Sleepovation, we had an agreement with them for many years.
Yep.
We really like their mattress. It's got individual mattresses that really relieve the pressure on your, bony spots,
Right.
like your back.
It allows airflow, keep things cool.
Brad, you said this was the first mattress that you could sleep on your back and it filled in the gap.
Yes.
and took
Yep.
the
With my
struggle.
spondylolisthesis, it was very clear the first time I laid on it. I thought, this is going to be a good thing. And it's been 3 or 4 years now, and I'm still happy. This morning, I had a hard time getting out of bed because it feels good.
Yeah,
It's
that's
true.
usually a good sign.
Yeah. My
But
wife had to
also,
elbow
it's got
me.
channels here that provide air cooling somewhat, right? I mean, it's a cooler
Oh, sure
mattress.
enough, Bob.
Yes, sure
I'm
enough.
just kidding.
So,
All
this
right.
is just a sample one.
Yep.
Go to bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section, go ahead and sign up, and you will not regret it.
Right. It all comes right to your house and
Yep.
unfold it, and it's amazing. It's a wonderful thing.
Shh.
Be careful.